Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, welcome back to again my YouTube channel BobPixie Haircuts. So my dear friends, how are you? I hope you people are pretty fine, doing very well. Today I am showing you the best beautiful haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I give you a brand new hairstyles of new haircuts and hairstyle ideas and hair dye cleaning ideas, hair transformation. Guys, I am showing the best entertaining designs of 2022. You can get ideas for my videos about color contrast. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will get the notification all of my videos. And today's video has very stylish USA girls, UK girls, haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Our designs are so gorgeous, so trendy and fabulous. I once suggest you watch this video till the end. Friends, if you like my videos, you can share it on your social media account, share it with your family members, so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing collection and get unique ideas. Friends will continue to watch and support my videos. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. I love this haircut, save your profile. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss any collections, any videos of my channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me, motivates me, bring to more useful content and more useful videos. Guys, I have uploaded different haircut design. Do you have new ideas of new haircuts and new hairstyles ideas? Amazing, very stylish plus size short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I hope you enjoy my today's video. I will daily post a video that like this different short hairstyles, different hair pixie cuts, fine look over that is a beautiful hairstyle I shall be showing in my video. Super stunning and stylish short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle ideas. Today you will see in this video of solid hair color ideas, very outstanding. You can see this new short pixie bob haircuts and hair transformation. Friends, you must watch my full video and take a screenshot of whatever haircut or hairstyle you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save it to your own mobile and share whenever you like. I have you have a haircut or hairstyle by showing this picture. You can get ideas your haircut from beauty salon in your area. Dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Most trending, very stylish short pixie haircuts and hairstyle ideas. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You can get amazing ideas of different haircuts designs and different hair dye color ideas.